What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Pretty boy Rob here, and I'm gonna be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. And we do have a special treat. I mean, it's February, Valentine's Day weekend is fastly approaching, so why not come at you with some Valentine's Day themed sneakers? We got these love letter Nike Air Force Ones that are looking extremely heartbroken. However, using our essential shoe cleaning kit paired with our dry suede kit, we are about to have these shoes looking lovely once again. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it, so let's hop straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy, baby. Alrighty, we do got our cleaning station all prepped. First things first, we're just gonna go ahead and set one shoe aside because we are only gonna be cleaning one shoe for before and after purposes. Start this off, let's go ahead and remove these laces and insert our adjustable shoe tree. So here we go. Okay, our laces are all out. Before I insert our adjustable shoe tree, I'm just gonna go ahead and place these in our bowl of water just for them to start soaking since they are looking extremely dingy and grimy right now. While they're waiting, jump ahead of the game and squirt some squirts. Perfect, we got our shoelaces soaking in right now just to help with that cleaning process to get an even deeper clean on that. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and insert our adjustable shoe tree. These are a size 8.5, so we are just gonna guesstimate possibly about this hole right here. Insert like so, and then boom. As you see, that toe box popped up, and now we got that nice hard toe box so we can apply as much as pressure as we need to during this cleaning process, as well as it'll just help us get a deeper clean on those hard holes. If you haven't seen that, check that out. Probably one of my favorite features about the shoe. All right, awesome. Now I can just jump straight into this cleaning process. As always, we always recommend starting with our soft bristle brush. It's just gonna break down all that dirt and grime. Plus, we are working with a delicate suede. So while I am using a soft brush, I'm just gonna be very careful not to oversaturate that material. So let's go. All right, as I said, you don't wanna oversaturate this material. So one pro tip is just shaking off some of that excess water before you start the cleaning process. All right, y'all, as I'm working on these uppers, I just want to give you guys some more pro tips when it comes to cleaning suede material. One thing I want to mention is, let's say if there was a stain just on this toe cap, I couldn't grab our solution and brush and just spot clean that and expect it to dry evenly, because what you're going to experience is a huge water stain or watermark after it dries. When cleaning a suede shoe, you would be required to clean that whole shoe completely even, exactly as I'm doing right now. I'm pretty much all wrapped up using this soft bristle brush. I'm just gonna grab our microfiber towel, wipe off all this extra dirt and suds, and see exactly what I'm working with. All right, I'm all done passing through with a microfiber towel, and we got most of that muddy, murky mess off the shoe. Now I'm just gonna go over it with our all-purpose brush, really focus and pay closer attention to detail on our midsole, as well as re-go over some of those deeper stains on our pink suede. So let's get it right now. All right, guys, I'm all done using our medium bristle brush. I re-went over that suede and got it nice and clean. It's looking a lot better. We also hit up our midsole. Last thing I need to do is use our stiff bristle brush and really work on that outsole, as well as maybe get a deeper clean on this midsole. But before I do that, I just want to talk a little bit about this sneaker. Personally, I'm rocking with it heavy. I was actually a lucky person that was able to win this shoe from our local sneaker shop last year in 2021 on Valentine's Day, or around Valentine's Day weekend was when this shoe came out. I already mentioned earlier about these hearts. It's a super dope feature. However, there is another feature. It has a hidden love letter that I'm gonna read directly to C-Can. True love since '82. That's it, that's the whole love letter. So both these tongues actually have hidden love letters. So let's go ahead and check with that dirty pair to see exactly what it says. Air Force One forever. I love it, and I definitely love these shoes. One thing about this shoe, like I said, is a Valentine's Day sneaker, but I definitely don't feel like you have to wait till February to rock it. You can definitely wear it all year round. And if you are wearing it all year round, make sure you clean it up using our essential shoe cleaning kit. But right now I'm about to hop straight into our stiff bristle brush and really focus on this outsole. So let's get it, let's go. All right, I'm all done using our stiff bristle brush on our midsole and outsole, and unfortunately, just when I thought I was about done with this cleaning, I did notice our sock liner and tongue. It's looking extremely dingy, and unfortunately, I just can't call this successful cleaning without at least attempting to try to clean the inside of that. So what I'm gonna do is just grab our soft bristle brush and scrub nice and deep like on that inside, so let's get it. All right, I'm all done cleaning the inside sock liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and insert that shoe tree back. Again, it's just gonna help with the drying process since we are almost wrapped up with this cleaning, but I can't be heartless. I still gotta take care of these laces. So let's go ahead and just grab them directly out of our bowl. Oh, the bubble was shaped like a heart. Perfect, we got that nice deep scrub-a-dub-dub on our shoelaces. Our shoe is also been cleaned. Now what we gotta do is just go ahead and let these shoes dry for about 24 hours. Then we're gonna come back and reset the nap using our dry suede kit. So just hang out and I'll see you before you know it. And we are back. We did go and let these Love Letter Air Force Ones dry for a few days. And when I came back to them, obviously that suede is extremely crunchy and there are some stubborn stains still in the suede. First, we're gonna grab our dry suede eraser and just tackle some of those stubborn stains that we noticed in the back and around the shoe. Then we're gonna grab our dry brush and then just brush all that off and brush in multiple directions to help reset that suede. But before I jump into the dry suede kit cleaning, let me go ahead and talk about this dope hoodie I'm wearing right now. It's an extremely limited drop done by our sister store, Many Worlds, Arizona. It's our puff hoodie, and since it's Valentine's Day season, you know we got a special hoodie for the ladies as well. So hit that link in the description below and make sure you copy your hoodie before they sell out. But let's jump straight to this cleaning right now. And that's gonna wrap it up with our dry suede kit. It definitely did its job. What it did with the suede, it definitely helped take care of that dingy look overall, as well as the texture. It brought back that original texture and now it's plush once again. But right now it's time for me to go ahead and get these things laced up. So here I go. There it is. That's going to conclude today's episode of Shoe Care Academy, a little Valentine's Day edition. We chose to do these Love Letter Air Force Ones, but why don't you guys let us know in the comment section down below what Valentine's Day sneaker we should have chose. Before I get on out of here though, let me just recap today's cleaning. We used our essential shoe cleaning kit paired with our dry suede kit to get these results. First things first, we used our soft bristle brush, broke down the dirt and grime on the uppers. Then we used our medium for some of those deeper stains, as well as the midsole. Lastly, stiff bristle brush on the midsoles and outsoles. Then we took care of our laces, let them dry for about 24 to 48 hours. We came back and got these type of results. Remember, this hoodie is available for a limited time, so get one for you and yo shawty. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll see y'all again. Peace.